At Iberostar Group, we continue to make progress on our 2030 agenda. The tourism sector has set itself the global goal of achieving net zero by 2050. Our challenge as a company is to reach this goal 20 years earlier and become carbon neutral by 2030. I'm proud that Iberostar is setting the bar for the tourism industry's most ambitious path towards decarbonization through science-driven, action-focused technical expertise.
We have a clear, long-term and continuous commitment to responsible tourism, which has been a cornerstone of the company's culture throughout its history. Within the framework of this COP27, we launch our ambitious decarbonization roadmap based on science, data, and good corporate governance.
When we say we want to be carbon neutral by 2030, that means first decarbonizing our Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions 85%, halving our Scope 3 emissions relative to 2019 baseline by 2030, and offsetting any of the remaining carbon footprint by protecting and restoring nature in our destinations.
First of all, reducing emissions coming from refrigerant gases. Secondly, electrifying all the processes that we have. Third, reducing energy consumption. And fourth, using and sourcing of renewable energy in all of our destinations. We will achieve our Scope 3 goals by ensuring that we engage with all of our supply chain stakeholders. It's key for our providers to be involved in this tremendous challenge.
Sustainability is ingrained into the DNA of Iberostar. That's why it will be easy to bring everyone across the company on board for this strategy.
We want to make it as tangible as possible so that other businesses, no matter where they are in their climate journey, can start taking action now to decarbonize their own operations.
This is the decade to tackle climate change and the loss of biodiversity. We all need to be fully engaged. It is time for the travel and tourism industry to step up to the challenge, to use already existing decarbonization solutions, to innovate and to address climate change.
We have ahead of us the responsibility to decide how we want to be remembered and what legacy we want to leave for future generations.